Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here is the second part for the Vim commands. So in this video we are going to learn about the 6 practical tasks using Vim advanced features. Like these are done in the terminal. For that, like first of all we have to create the text document which I used vim report.txt. So I have already created and I have inserted some data into it, which is like the date and info, date and one, date and error, and for the bulk edit and line numbers, just we have to type the percentage symbol as score info score notice. Just I'm typing to bulk edit and line the numbers using the Vim commands. So have to type the percentage as info notice G, and for the set numbers we have to use the colon set number, so we can enable line numbers. The above the percentages it shows that to replace all info which with the notice, so whatever the file we have created, so we can replace it with the other file. And W is for save, obviously I told in the before video, like the previous video. Next going to the navigations. So for that we have like some Vim commands, which is this. Just I'm make sure whether it is saved or not. Then the Vim navigation commands are GG. The small 2 G's are for jump to file start, and capital G for jump to file end, and the disk command is for search the disk, like which disk it has in, and the small n is for next match. Then the capital N is for going to the previous match. So these are the navigation commands. And coming to the next one, visual block commenting. For that I need to I have created a new file, which is vim settings.configuration, which is settings.conf. Just make sure to go back, and I'm creating this settings.conf. Then yeah, I'm into the settings or configuration. Then here if the basic bash commands are like Ctrl+v for enter visual block mode, and the 3 J's J, we can select the 3 lines at a time, and shift plus I to start the insert. Then the hashtag symbol is for the type command symbol, and just I'm typing something here to like. Then we have to use the escape keyword for apply to the all lines, whatever the command whatever the comment we are using as a symbol. Then later just use the to quit the just we need to exit from the file. We have to use the colon and the WQ keyword. So now we are in the insert mode, so we have to just insert data whatever we want, and we can do whatever settings we want just using Ctrl+v J Alt like we can select the 3 lines at a time. Shift plus I to insert the data into the system. Then we can use these things. So coming to the next the task, split view editing. For split view editing we have to use the 2 colon VSP file 1.txt, which is the vertical split, and Ctrl+W switch right pane. For that I have to create 2 files, I'm just creating files here to split view the editing. So just we have to fill. Let me open the previous file which I have already created. Yeah, here Ctrl+w to go to the first file, so which is like switch the right pan. So for the second file we have to use Ctrl+w H to switch the left pane, and :Q for the closer pan. So these are the split view editing. Then the last task is like macro automation, which is the commands are GG to go to the first line, QA to start recording macro A, capital A, append to line N, and the colon mark is for type text, escape to return to normal mode because we are in the insert mode, so we can escape to the normal mode, and Q to the stop recording, J to move down. So these are the basic commands. These are the advantages using this Vim commands. In this video we have covered the bulk edits, navigation, visual blocks, split views, and macro. If you like this, please do share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching video. Thank you.